Another day, another advent of code. Less than a minute out. For those who are wondering, I slept through yesterday's, hence no stream. But I did do it when I did wake up, so solutions there on GitHub if you really want to see it. Not too special though. Just math like the rest of them. Let's see this new one. Okay. Play a card game. Here we go. Thanks, Galway. That should have been in the right folder. Go. Hands, bids amount, da 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 da. Example, this number here. Okay, so let's do the parsing, return data dot split. Forgot the trim. Dot split. New line. Map each line to line dot split space. Cost bid equals this for my curlies. Let's do something with these. Get rid of that return. Okay, what do I do with these? Put the hands in the order of strength. One pair and the other hands all have a stronger type. This and this are two pairs. Oh, so we're comparing them against each other. Okay, I understand this. Hands and bid. Okay, that's what I'm going to get. Return and bid equals whatever. Let's look at the data once more. Each hand is exactly one type from strongest to weakest. There are 5 of a kind, 4 of a kind, full, or 3 of the same, and the remaining 2 have a different. 3, 2. Okay, I have to parse all of these. Okay, I got it. Cost hand to type equals hand string. This is the fun part. Let's go for the easiest ones. Cost cars. We're going to take the hand and always sort it. That makes it easy if every C triple equals, if everyone's the first one, turn, what do we have here? 5 of a kind. Wait, they'll have strengths too. So the strength, no, we'll parse it with another thing. Strength is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 strongest strength. 4 of a kind. All 4 and 1 has a different label. Okay, this is gonna be if oh 3 of a kind, 3 have the same label, 2, 2 pair. Oh, okay. Fun character matching. Because I feel like you throw a regex at this. If character for dot test const lined hand. I've already written that one that way, so I'm not going to rewrite it as regex. So great. Get 4 characters on a late regex. Oh, this is why I don't write things in regex. I don't have any of it memorized. Oh, it's \1 for the previous group matching. Is that the trick? I have to put it in a group. I didn't have to add that parenthesis. Okay, that's a dangerous line. I don't know if that works. This is where you write some unit tests, if I had any. I mean, I do have them. I've written them. 3 of a kind, 3 of the same, the remaining 2. Wait, full house. I didn't read full house. 3 of the same, and the remaining 2 cards share a different label. Let's also do counts. Nope. Equals this deuce. If car and counts car equals 0, counts car plus plus. There we go. That'll do. String number should suffice. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Cars and arrays. No, it's not. It should just be, yeah, that is correct. Counts car. I'll have to return it. There we go. So third logic, 3 of a hand. No, wait, full house. 3 different cards of same level, and the remaining 2 cards show a different label. Okay, so this is this logic. If 3 long and const equals yeah, I am definitely rusty on this. Logic again. 3 cards, same label. The remaining 2 cards share a different label. Which is no way, I can actually do the regex here. Boom, the remaining share a different label. Like that. Okay, now this works though. That's the full part, right? Full house, that is strength of 5. 3 of a kind. 3 of the same, and the remaining 2 cards are different from any other card. So it's not a full house because those last 2 are different. Gotcha. Otherwise, you got 3. And then you got 1 random and 1 random, which, again, if this regex works, is like that. Okay, I'm gonna not run this without unit test. 2 pair, 2 cards share 1 label, 2 other cards share a second label, and the remaining has a third label. Okay, should be able to regex that. Fortunate for my brain, because I don't know if this regex works yet. So we have 2 that are matching, 2 that are matching, and the 1 that we have no idea about. 2 pair, strength of 3. 1 pair, 2 cards share, and the other 3 are completely random. So 2 cards share, and you got 1, 1, 1. These parallels a little weird. But all cards labeled are different. Okay, 5 pair. Okay, now we need to write some tests for this thing. Basically, for every single one of these examples, can I copy them easily? Yes, I can. Straight to the bank. Love it when they write like that. Okay, so you do is delete all these. Copy, those are my cases. How many cases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we'll just shove it up here. The strict equal, why did I call this cool function? Hand to type. I have a hand, it's like that. This should equal the second value, which I don't have, but I have. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 returns that I can copy. I have 7 of those to reselect to the end, paste. Okay, that's just so you can see if that thing works. So now, maybe when you use that, we'll leave it there. We'll take our hands actually here and return type hand to type hand. Again, I feel like I've been real slow on this parsing, but it happens. You know what we need to do? Put them in order of strength and determine the total winnings. Add up the result of multiplying each hand with its rank. Oh, I numbered my ranks wrong, didn't I? Okay, so 765 by a 1. So this has a rank of 1 because it's the lowest, and 483 is the best hand. No. Okay, it starts at 1. That's all I've basically just rediscovered. Oh, I did that. Cool. Good job, man. I didn't remember. Okay, so we're just gonna at least, yeah, we should finish up the math because that'll allow me to do this. A B A dot type 1 minus B dot type 1. There's quick math. I did it wrong. What was wrong? Hand to type. Oh, it's not smart. I didn't type it correctly. Now it's smart. Awesome. So now we should have cards, return cards dot map card. Now, how do I do this? Multiplying each hand's value with its rank. Oh, rank of card. Oh. Oh, what's this? Stronger first card. Who said that? One of the cards have strengths. Its first card is stronger. Strength of card. And oh, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Okay, I can't go that far. We need to test what we got. Nope. Where's the watch command? There it is. Okay, so not working. That's real happy. Yeah, I don't know which one's failing, but 48, there it is. Oh, the first one supposed to be 4 of a kind, and it's not 4 of a kind. Don't scroll. It's a high pair 1, because it falls through on the rest of them. Because this regex does not want. How do I do this then? I thought this would do that. This does not do what I want. Yeah, that don't work at all. Well, hold on. That. This should be a very easy regex. Oh God. Simple regex. The same character. There we go. PHP. I will suffice. Okay, so it's matcher 1 number. I'm doing that. Oh, well, that says matches any character. Sure. Don't use the tester. Okay, I'm just gonna debug into it. That's honestly gonna be easier. The only one that worked is the non-regex one, of course. Okay, let's get in here. Yeah, make sure these things are actually doing what I want. So yeah, we got ordered hand. It's like that. Oh, with the other order. Of course. So that test is gonna fail. So we need to test not regex from the start. Because they're ordering by value now, not frequency. All of these depend on frequency. Let's at least test this works on what I thought it would. See if it's even worth redoing the sorting. A 8. False. A? True. Okay, so all my things are off by 1. 3, 2, 1, 2. The ones are no up. I can see because it's duplicate or whatever. Yeah, I get it. Okay, that should suffice. Now I just need to sort this as sort A, B, no, B, counts A minus counts B. Should do the trick. Well, should do the trick in A direction. I'll figure out which direction that is by restarting. Or stopping and starting, same diff. Let's get in here. Okay, ordered hand, it's the wrong way around, so it's B minus A. I should realize that, largest to smallest. Drop that box, don't need that. Get back in there. Ordered hand, there we go. Now let's see it go to the right place. Okay, let's see if the rest of them will work. Goodbye, hello. Should have that still on watch. Okay, which one's wrong now? 49, 49, 40. There we go. It's literally the next one. Great, so I got three of a kind. It's actually a full house. It's a full house because three cards have the same label, the remaining two share a different. Great. Onto this one. Yeah, three, and then the last two share a different. Well, I don't see why it's not. That's three and the last two. Don't understand the regex. 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. Oh wait, is it A, B, B? Would that make it happen? Nope. Extra A. My first one I thought matches 3. Because I did it minus my 1. Hey, I've been doing pretty well, Skybane. Just living the regex life. It's very fun. Oh, because they're groupings of 2. God, that's complicated. I feel like this regex is failing me now. I'll bump it though. It makes me feel all these need to go down too. Now, you know what? Yeah, I'll just do these manually. Yeah, so it's that character 4 times. So 1, 2. Where's the thing? 3, 4, right? And it's full house is 1, 2. Full house? 3. Where is it? Then 1, 2. Now, do I have to go \2 on this? Because that's a different group identifier. How does regex work? Nobody knows. 3 of a kind. 3 have the same, and the remaining 2 are different. Okay, so 1, 2, no, 3 should suffice. Let's just zoom through it. Or run it. Do something somewhere. Come on. Come on. Come on. 49 still failing. Ah. Like 49's changed. Full house is failing. No, full house has been failing. Okay, yeah. This is what I get for touching regex. Okay. Counts. The simplest thing to get stuck on. 3 cards have the same label, and the remaining 2 cards share a different label. Regex should be the way to do this, but I just can't understand regex. Okay, 49. 2, 3, 3, 3, 2. This is supposed to be a full house. 333 22. Should be a full house. Get my regex tester out. 333 22. No, wait, 3 2. No, wait, what the heck? 333 22. Yeah, it's not working. These are supposed to be backslash 2s, aren't they? One, two, three, four, five. Huh. Matches the thing. Okay, I think I'm understanding regex. Babies versus regex. Okay. So this needs to be backslash 2. So it's count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 4 of a kind. 3 of a kind. 1, 2. I just typed on the wrong one. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, just need 3 in a row. That's all that matters. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. The rest, 1 pair. 1, and don't care about the rest. Okay, moment of truth. Hey, it's working. I figured out how to parse cards. Now I get to do the mapping thing, which is transforming them to the pair. Oh, the strength, right? Okay. Well, I'll need to sort them. A, B. When they're the same, they get different, though. Okay, let's go back up to that logic that I never read. Never read it. Okay, yeah, okay. Types const at equals a dot type 1 const bt equals b dot type 1 if at equal bt return at minus bt, right? So that should give us the sorted cards. Yeah, so just basically just sorting them like I should have done. Otherwise, return 0. I just need this to show me something. Come on. There we go. So 2, 3, 4. So they're going from low to high, which is the opposite order. Those just go from most powerful to least powerful, right? Only in the order of strength. That's the weakest one. Okay, that is the right direction. Okay, when they're equal, though. Okay, if two hands of the same type, second ordering rule, start by comparing the first card in each hand. If they are different, strongest first card is considered stronger. Okay, so for let I equal 0, I less than a dot hand dot length. No, what the heck? Dot length I plus plus const AC equals a dot hand I, and BC is the same, but for B. Now we compare them accordingly. Which one is stronger? 3 and 2 are both 4 of a kind, but 3 is stronger because his first card is stronger. 7 are both, but 7, 8. Okay, it seems assy comparison. So if AC greater or equal BC, continue. Turn AC to car at 0 minus BC to car at 0. Now this might be backwards. Oh, car code. Finally, if they're equal, they're equal. I think I don't have an example of them being. Or do I? These two 3 of a kinds, Q and T5, which way are they supposed to go? Q is stronger, so it gets rank 5, and T gets rank 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 483. Who's 483? That's the Q. The Q did not go the right way. So in theory, if this is working, I flip this. Store should be somewhat stable. Come on. Yeah, key one on the bottom. Okay. Now we reduce them by index. Return cards that reduce. Um, what is this? Multiplication, right? Product. Oh, addition. Winnings card I. Winnings plus card dot type 1 times I plus 1. Winnings start at 0. Let's make sure this all gets mathed out. Because that's going to be a 0. That's going to be added. Let's see if that works. 53, not 6440. Okay, so we gotta see what's going on here. So 765 times 1. Let's at least console log this. Not console log this itself, but particularly the math. Yeah, so card times I plus 1. Let's see what that would look like. 2, 6, nope, no, that's working. I'm multiplying the type. So this would be multiplying the bid, which probably isn't even a number, is it? Nope, it's not. Plus bid. Okay, bid's a number now. Awesome. I'm confident that should do the trick. Great, we have a number. It took me way too long. And it's the wrong number. Oh no. That means somewhere in here my logic is not doing its job. That's not good. Back up, come on, to the rules. I don't see any hidden here. So it's the ranking rules or it's the matching rules that are wrong. Which could it be? Hmm. Uh, something's. What aren't I testing? Pretty confident this is what should be working. Hmm. Okay, maybe we need to do it in a different way. Maybe there's a way to have the strength fully denote, just numericalized. Hmm. Oh. Mm. Little. I'm not stuck. I'm just not seeing what could be wrong because there's so much input data. Actually, how much data is that? There's so much input data. It's a lot of input data. I am doing a trim, right? Yeah, I'm doing a trim, so that's not the problem. Oh, where'd OBS go? There it is. Hmm. A hand, B hand, comparing the character codes. The hands are always the same length. Yes. Yes. Nothing weird with parsing. Rank is their index plus 1. It's got to be this logic here. Am I not doing strength ordering correctly? So let's go back through it again. Hands are permanently ordered for every full house is stronger than any favorite kind. Great, great, great. Comparing the first card in each hand, if they're different, the hand with the stronger first card is stronger. First card is the same level. I'm doing ASCII. I bet that's not how the actual strength works. They're probably talking about real card strength, aren't they? Oh my goodness. A is the highest, 2 is the lowest. Why did that work in the sample case? That's annoying. Thankfully, I have some bit of an array already here. Boop, boop. Up. Okay, so I just used their index in this cute little array here. AC equals, oh, and then I, well, not I, hand I is character. I could have also done this a lot better. Runs index of this. There we go. Strengths dot index of this. And then those are strengths, so if they're equal, great. Otherwise, subtracting time. I think it's a better, different number. I'm sure I should remember the first one. Oh, it's slightly different. Hey, okay, part two. Where's the big math? The Joker. Da da da. Oh, it's a wild card. J cards are the weakest individual, weaker than 2. Well, let's not waste time then. Add it to the J. Add the J to the strengths. Can pretend to be whatever is best for the purpose of determining. Oh, God. Okay, I get it. It's painful. Because my thing's based in regex. I cannot think of how to fix that. All 4 of a kind. It's ranked, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Ooh. Okay, if there is a J, what I need to do is replace that J with what the best card would be. So that's the highest count. Okay, let me think. So for 1J, boom, replace J with A, we win. 4 of a kind. 4, replace the J with the other thing. Full house. 3 of a kind. Replace the J with whatever occurs second to last. 2 pair. Well, this is where it gets crazy. And 1 pair and high card. Okay, this J thing needs to really magically work perfectly. Hmm. 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 Wait, if I go through all the cards and I just say, okay, Jay, this time you're this card around, and it'll give me the best one possible. Okay, so I'm gonna make a new function. Cost to best hand equals hand string, and then yeah, you'll do your coolness right here. Ta-da! Now, if not hand dot includes a J, you're just hand to type. You are what you are. You will never be different. Otherwise, we're going to go through each character, replace it, and try to get the best out of this. Well, for every J. Or if there are multiple J's, can there be multiple J's? J cards are not the weakest. Can pretend there are 2 J's in here. Ah. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible iterations. Like, do all the J's have to be the same? Could there be anything? Math, math, math. Oh, hey, whoa, dude. Appreciate the raid. Hope you were having some fun. Sounds like you probably finished the advent of code, maybe. I have not, because I am an excellent regex user. So while there are J's, I'm gonna keep basically trying to replace the J's with J's. Kind of like a recursive thing. Okay, but it's basically gonna be const new hand equals hand dot, well, for every character, for const car of strengths, but slice at the end. Wait, where's strength? J cards are the weakest, so they're at the end. Okay, so slice to the end. Slice 0, -1, so skip the J. Hand dot replace J with car. New hand. Ta-da. And oh, I get it. Okay, here we go. Const hands. And this is actually a set. Congratulations. Okay, now what we're gonna do is say const pool equals right here. And then we're gonna say, okay, if new hand includes a J still, congratulations, you just added to the pool of hands. It starts with hand, and then while pool length, so while there's still some to go through, yes, I've unwrapped the recursion basically. Bite me. Hand equals pool dot pop. Don't worry, it's not null. If it's that, else. Okay, what we'll see is const best type equals no. Well, it's empty string number dot min safe integer. There we go. Const type equals hand to type. Congratulations. The new hand is a good. If type 1 less than best type 1, best type equals type. Make this a let. Well, this should be working. Type 1, that's a number, less than best type. String or number. Dang it, you are a string number tuple. Best type equals type. Make it a let. Then we return best type. I'm not even actually going to go for testing this one yet because I am somewhat confident. Let's get solve 2 going. We have that. What do we do with our other stuff? We just use the joker, right? Jokers are things, they do their job. We don't do handed type, we say to best hand, and if you're our best, you're our best. Now this might be infinite loop territory. Now is it infinite loop, or are we just doing lots of thinking is the question. Debug time is the way to find out. Check out if our pool is just flooding. Okay, so where's our pool? We only have one J here, so it should be pretty straightforward. We're gonna go through every single character. Oh, I did something wrong. Okay, so new hand not doing the thing. New hand doesn't have the J in it. We do our thing. Oh, I bet car. This has the J in it, doesn't it? Stop running. No, it does not have the J in it. Wait, where'd the J come from? Why are you at 3? Okay, you stopped running. You stopped running. Did I sort strengths at any point? Oh, I did. No, I didn't. Where'd the J come from? To balance, J are now the weakest. Oh, J's always been there. I just didn't realize it. Cool, cool. Math wrong. No, who went my math wrong? Tell me which math is wrong. 117 math wrong. That's my example case. Okay, the one what's supposed to be doing the thing. Hey again, low dude. So AK2Q9. Oh no, my strength changes based on the thing. Yeah, Jay's had a strength before. I broke it. So strength needs to be passed in. Hey, it's all good. I'm more than happy to be in the guinea pig. Strength 2. J is now weakest. There we go. Now we should tell which strengths to use. You know what? We don't need part 1 to do like anything. Right? Yeah. No part 1. Only part 2s. Congratulations. You're now using strengths 2. Hit the backspace. Something went wrong there. It was ironically working before on the small case. Which is weird. Right? That's weird. Okay, let's try looking that again. Still the only one pair to contain jokers. Strength. Okay, we have a sample that's failing, so we can at least get through that. Solve 2, not solve 1. It's when it gets to best hand. Actually, it could be anywhere. It could be absolutely failing anywhere. Not there, not there, not there. Get out, get out. Okay, we have our cards. TQK3K. Ha ha ha. So 3 apparently has the lowest weight. Or whatever. Uh, uh, everything's wrong. Literally everything's backwards in mine. Or I'm not backwards, just not at all where I thought it'd be. Oh, wait a minute. KK677. Oh, there's that one in there. KTJJT. Okay, there it is. What's your type, though? Tell me. Oh. Oh, they're not matching. What intonation? I did it the wrong way, though, didn't I? It has to be greater than, not less than. Darn it. Why did that pass the first one? Nobody knows. Is that a number? I don't trust that number. If it was that quick, it can run it again. That's a number. Hey, okay. Whew. Lots of improvement there, but not too bad, I don't think. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. As you can see, there's my, well, it's 2 a.m. here, but my 3 a.m. wake up of like, oh, I slept through Advent of Code. That's not too bad. But yeah, pretty good that one around. Better than I thought it was. I figured I was going to be at least in the 4s or such. Yeah, Sky, let's go. Lots of improvements all around. This good Advent of Code tip. There's going to be text in here at some point, so if you're going to ever have to reach for regex, just do a regex brush up real quick. Don't learn it while solving the problem. Yeah, this J, basically I was like, recursion? No, I'm gonna do my own recursion with my own stack and everything. On a Code Wars scale, I'm gonna break those difficulties into part 1 and part 2. So, Code Wars scale difficulty part 1. Primarily, it consisted of this here function. Well, this here function, converting a hand to a strength type. That was the bulk of the work. And then like a 20-30% of the work was making sure you sort them by that type, which had this secret little equality breaker here. We're definitely not in the 8s, not in the 7s. I could see this as a 6, just as one of the parts. The whole part one, though, I could see as a five. Yeah, part one, I could see as a five. A five Caillou. The part two inclusion, though, assuming part one's also so the whole thing, not just part two. I could see it being a four. Or just another five, like in one of the easier fives. Yeah, so five for the one, hard five, or an easy four for the whole. But yeah, that is working. And I'm gonna clean this up a little bit just so both of them can physically run because I broke part one here. Did I not break part one here? Is it just gonna work? Yeah, it's not working. Part one's broken. Yeah, well, I mean, any problem can be solved. It just depends how long you're gonna spend on it, right? So, like, given like the 20-minute rule, obviously, this isn't a 20-minute problem. I think it took me more than that. So, if you're going by that, then yeah, it's definitely one of the tougher ones. But it's all about like when you're actually solving the problem and not trying to speed run it, breaking it down to its smallest possible components, which is why this immediately became its own function, and I just tested the heck out of it. Not full tested, but everywhere I needed to test it. And then I kind of gave up testing the rest. Yes, whoa, dude, I do use OBS. Though last year I had it all like set up and stuff. This year, since I had to like reinstall it because it was janked and stuff, I still have my settings. They're in a folder somewhere, but I just put them there. So I'm using basically vanilla. It's just sharing a screen. I got my old overlay on, and I just realized this entire time that's not been in full screen mode. So awesome. uh, yeah, I do use OBS to answer your question in one word instead of 500. No, I mean, yes, that was very intentional. Ooh, ah. I'm on Linux too. Yeah, Linux proper. I used to have like on-screen chat and stuff. What I did in the very beginning was literally just had a Chrome tab open to the stream overlay thing at Twitch, the website. That was enough. But now I use the built-in dock. Like on OBS is a docs tab, and you can just click, and it has a bunch of things that it all hooks in from Twitch. You do have to do the login thing, I think, instead of the stream key. So when you log in to Twitch via OBS, it unlocks it, and it's actually a little. Actually, I'm just. Mm, that one right there. Well, yeah, that little chat one right there. That's the one that I use to see y'all. And y'all will look like this. The text is really small because Linux loves fractional scaling, and these displays aren't the best. Yeah, of course, but I mean, just using the Chrome browser and the Twitch.tv, it works a lot. You just set multiple different Chromes, always on top. It's effectively the same thing, but this is like 30 seconds less effort, hence I'm using it. Okay, but making part one, strengths becomes a passable, basically, is the solution. Two best hand, actually. Hmm. Yeah, let's not optimize it. Don't want to get into that. Just want to make it functional. And to type strengths. Yeah, it's going to become a passable. Solve one is strengths. This is strengths two. hand to type. Actually, strength doesn't matter in that particular equation. It matters over here. Yeah, it literally only matters in the implementation of the sorting. So strengths 2 is down at here. Rerun. 6, 7. Uh-oh. Oh, because something else is using strengths for this loop. This thing. There we go. Our infinite pool. Our flooding pool. 67 and 40. So there's 40. There's 67. Got it. Part 1 and Part 2 are functional again. Let us commit. Day 6, day 7. There it lives. Okay. With that, we will be taking a break and then coming back to clean it up. I will see you all on the other side. Be sure to stretch, hydrate, and relax. Welcome, welcome, welcome on back, folks. It's time to optimize. I don't need settings. Okay, so as always, we're just gonna deduplicate some stuff and make it all better. First, we got this cool function here, hand to type. We're just gonna go up here, and the test should live with the function to some degree. And I'm single filing it. That's the best we're gonna get there. Hand to best type. I like that there. Best type there. We don't cast, we set types. It's better. What's preferred? There. Well, I could do an as const. Will that be happy? That'd get the types correct, but then it wouldn't make it like that. Yeah, so that's fine. Pool is there. Grab it. Strength slice the last character, right? That's fine for now. New hand is out without it. If the new hand includes it, to the pool. Otherwise, type stuff. We can flip that around. If it doesn't include it, braces and the life. I like it better. At that point, let's just go for consistency. There we go. You know what? No, go for shortest first. Very indecisive as you can. I like that better. Okay, I mean, the best we can. Hey, Jason Bourne, long time no see. How's it going? How's it going? Quick question. We'll see how quick it is. What do you got? This is gross. Hate this. Very gross. I don't know. I've been a little busy in life, unfortunately. Just coming back to it all, to the Discord and stuff. So I don't know. Probably check the Twitter. That's where they're the most active, I believe. That's where you expect updates. Nah, never. As you can tell by my very professional setup, never really got that into the whole streaming thing. Not as much as the others. It's just fun. I don't know if I can cheat, 'cause I don't need the names here, do I? Hand to strength, right? Well, what do they call it? Well, I do like the types. 4, 7, math. Hey, that's cool, yeah. Appreciate you coming on by anyway. Have a good one. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I can't count. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is correct. Yeah, so I'll be hand type and then type to strength just for I like it. And that's literally just gonna be let's just say const. Type's just a bad name to use, but it'll do. Boom. Be a lot of pasty. Oops. And my commas. There we go. I would have liked an auto format. I'll get my own formatting. There we go, my own formatting. Hand to type. Type 2 equals type. There we go, and this is a card type array. I'm literally doing that double definition thing. I'll do the fancy TypeScript thing in a moment. It's not right now. Get rid of these commas. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. Whoops. There we go. Card types. So this is index 0, 1, 2. They're backwards. They are, of course, backwards. Gonna swap all these around. Now it's gonna get 2 of a pair over there and 3 of a kind over there. And 1 of a pair over there. Okay, I think I got them all ordered properly now. Low, 3, full, 4. There we go. And of course it's index plus, well, yeah, I don't want to have a card type of 0. Actually, I'm fine for card type of 0. They're comparative. Well, actually, nothing 0 is fine, actually. Okay, now for this. I can just use regex the entire thing, which means I do want the ordered hand. Because I don't know how to do it. Well, yeah, because this is 2 followed by 2. Order independent. This is 3, order independent. This is 3 followed by 2. Ah, okay, yep. So we do need to have this ordered hand here. We can push this a little bit. Cars. We're not using this in any way. I mean, characters. The sorting is useless here, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, this one, if we're using regex, let's just go all the way. Oh. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, and the rest are straightforward, but they're so straightforward. I'm gonna squish it a little bit. Because I can. I like that. Now, if I wanted to, I put these and their corresponding things into just an array. Just loop over it with the indexes. Actually, I just want the words. So yeah, I can do that. Must create regexes, and that's going to be a mapping of, well, it could be a mapping, it could just be an array. I need to turn it from the regex into the actual string though, so it's going to be a mapping of the regexes. Okay, it's symbols. Nope. Find the matching. Oh, you're sad. Okay, I'll go to the right then. Go from that side, and go make my way in. Home. There we go. Nice set of characters there. We can't use regexes as keys. Uh, huh. Well, okay, so I'll make an array of tuples. There we go. Pop, 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 pop. There, and then we got a lovely string. Close off the array with a comma. There we go, and I would just grab all of these turns. Ta-da. These empty strings. Ta-da. Beautiful. Then it's going to be for const regex type of type regexes if regex dot test ordered hand. I gotta do the typing correctly. Return type. Beautiful. And fallback is, of course, hyper. Now this is very const, so as const it is. Oh, gotta update this. You now return a card type. Okay, well, you're not obviously not cool with this. Record of string to card type. That's not a string, it's a regex. That's a beautiful. Regex is not satisfied. Transfer number as const. Do you really want that? Oh, because the thing can be. Okay, fine, whatever. Okay, what do you think your type is? Tell me. You think you have regexes in them? Okay, I'll just cast you then. Why you? Okay, nah, I'm just gonna go with it. Like I said, I'll do the right proper TypeScript thing later. There we go, that's working now. Why? Oh, it's not a record, it's... TypeScript wasn't wrong. I was. I was wrong. As is most usually the case. Five of kind is not. Well, would you look at that? It's not, because it's missing. How did I manage this? I don't know how, but I really missed it good. Okay, there. Now this magic function is doing its magic functionness. There we go. Now we get to update these accordingly. Um, Canto strength in this case. Yeah, which will basically just be double collar. And type and then type to strength. There we go. Cross border string by. You can see that's basically what I'm doing here. Turn, bada boom, bada bing. Order string by frequency. And beautiful. Ah, I'm loving that already. Hey, Hexamble. Thanks for coming on by again. Your night has been going well. So I've already have, what is it called? Hand strength. and to best strength. There we go. And to type hand, and then to strength. Bada boom, bada bing. Yep, we're not looking for those no more. And we're not doing this anymore either. Best strength equals number dot max. Well, no, is it min value? Yeah, the smallest. What was it before? Don't think. Min it is. Min safe integer, best strength. Strength equals hand to type. Type to strength. If best strength, then actually it's just a math trick there. Best strength equals math.max. Best strength. And congratulations, new strength, which boom gets a one-liner. Which drops this else to a one-liner. Which drops this back to a one-liner. Everyone is happy. Bada boom, bada bing. New hand, gotta keep that variable around. Strength 2 is still out here being weird, but we will address that momentarily. Yeah, those two go together. Card type regexes, yeah, they go with that function down there. This little helper, he goes way up. Yeah, we'll sort it by domain. So that generic function goes way up there. Card stuff lives here. Those two live together. Now your tests go together too. Yeah, you can get no lines. And then the solving happens. Okay, let's get this back to functional. We will start chopping away here. Strength to strength. And don't need those indexes no more. Beautiful. Do the same thing over there. Same logic there. I think that should be functional. I should have watch back on. Of course not. Oh, I broke on that. Oh, my tests are still owed. And those aren't those. Those are just ye old string. Very readable strings. Okay, not functional, but they're readable. 60. This is supposed to be a 2 pair, and it's actually a 1 pair. What do you know? And a type 2 pair turned into a 1 pair. One, two, 1, 2. Okay, yeah, I mean, we're just gonna debug into this at this point. Let's get on in there. I didn't need to come on all these out in hindsight. Okay, we here now. Basically, just gotta find the matching regex, see what they do to my poor thing. Oh, they did the ordered hand. It's not very ordered of you, ordered hand. So this is my order string by frequency that I broke. Let's get back in there, I suppose. This is where it could deserve its own unit test and would be all home and handy. Menu. Okay, so let's get the characters. It's amazing. Let's get the counts. 2 2s, 2 3s, 4 1s. Sort by cars. No, cars is the right thing. Sort and then join. Okay, let's at least do this on the debug. Look at it. 2 3 3. Oh, because they are equal. That's a good one. So that's 0 or it doesn't actually matter the order, but I would like a certain order. Um, Actually, I don't care about the order. Bingo, bango. That's our fixo. Look at that. So what was happening was since there were 2 2s and 2 3s, when they're 2 and 3 being compared, they're both 0. So that means when I did the sort on this, it actually did have an impact. But now that I'm not doing that sort, and to make sure if they're equal frequency, they still get sorted based on their alphanumericness. And actually, there's really something built for this. Locale compare, that's what you're supposed to use when you want to basically provide a -1, 0, or 1 value to a sort method. Does smartly for you. Okay, so I'm liking that. Helper's doing his job. This, okay, strength 2, still not liking it. Well, actually, yeah, so what's going to be genericized is the strength calculation. Oh, basically, I can check if there's a jack in here, you know? Ooh, hand to best strength. Right here. Yeah, just always use this, and it's got the built-in check for no jacks. You're gonna get the best you already have. Okay, good. This is identical. This is identical. Okay, it's time to make our generic solve function. Which is basically gonna be all this code right here. The difference being nothing. Oh my gosh, there's literally no difference. Then it's gonna be calls to the same. It's gonna be calls to the same. Nope, I broke it. So the best only does weird stuff if there's a jack involved. And there's no jack involved. So let's time travel a little bit here. I broke it. Solve one work. No, so 6 4 40. Put that back. Who fails? Solve one's failing. Okay, so let's back to that. So that succeeds it. It's hand to best strength that fails it. Okay, you're the weird. Oh, it does have jacks in the first one, I bet. I just was blind to it. Yeah, there are. Okay, so there does need to be a toggle of the jack behavior. What they call, yeah, because these are wild cards, right? So jacks are wild, or jokers. I've been calling them jacks this entire time. Yikes. Well, the generics will still work. It's gonna basically gonna be if jokers are wild. And that'll determine what function we use. While jokers use that function. Normal jokers use hand to strength, which we could just pass this along, have that determine it. Let's use our other function. Down in part 2 land, jokers are wild. It's in part 1, they are not wild. Fixed it. Beautiful. Yeah, we're just gonna pass this down actually. Hand to no, okay, I'm fine with being the separation here. This does absolutely nothing though, I realized real quickly. Yeah, that was doing nothing because they had jacks in them. Ooh, I might need to set this to initial though. S strength equals hand to strength of the physical hand. Actually, no, the first iteration handles that for us. Now, I can simplify this by not putting the hand in the pool if there are no jacks in it, but why would I do that? I guess we can rename this. Let's call them jacks again. Strength. Strength. There we go. Give these two constants. Live in constant land. Mm. Mm. Yeah, sure. That's where you can live. Yeah. It's a bit disheveled. A lot of moving parts in this one file. This would definitely be a multi-file project, but it's not a real project. So, okay, time to clean up our solve. First with variable reduction. Didn't need that. Then with some good old parsing. So we got our hand, our bid, and our strength. Let's at least put these on their own lines. Readability. Yeah, this is fine to me. Sorting. Here's the fun part. Now we'll just straight up just compare these. We don't need to. They're only a double access. If they're a triple, then the variable would make sense. But as is, that's fine. Ooh, this is a double call though, a little bit more expensive than an access. A strength. Yeah, we'll just call it ASTR. BSTR. There we go. That'll do the trick. And we'll just say if not do the return, then we will no longer need to use a continue statement. There we go. Let's put some separation on that at least. Our default 0, of course. Our reduction, which is winnings, card index. Yep, all straightforward there. Liking it so far. Okay, nice. Let's see if I can remember what this is. Is that the trick? There we go. Beautiful. As const, then type of. Do I need the const? Yeah, I do need the const. Does that throw it on a read only though? Ah. Let's see if I can figure this out real quick. TS. There we go. There's gotta be a thing. I don't want to make some thing. Just have a cool placeholder. I don't want to do that. Yeah, there's a Negative read only. Hmm. I figured it'd be a utility type, but I'm guessing not. Okay, yeah, I'm fine having it duplicated. It's a type scoop challenge. Yep, that's fine enough. I like this better than recursion. Personally, but if I wanted to, I could write this recursively. But I like it this way, so this is the way it stays. One of the few times that the replace only happening on 1J is actually a feature, not a bug, so we'd like to see that. Type to strength, hint to strength. This can go somewhere else. I guess I can live down here. Doesn't really. It has relevance, but it's not linked to anything. A, B. Nah, nothing I can do there. Can hard code it to something like 5 or 4 instead of that. Sure. It was 5? Just to prevent a little access and bias. Okay, I think that is it for day 7. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. Nice. Okay. As for visualization, close all that. Yeah, I can definitely see this being a very friendly to visualize pair. At least, like the parsing itself is its own thing. Look at a bunch of characters, you whoosh them around, you sort them, you count or slash the regex at them. The way I'd probably do it would be either color code or you could start sorting them. So 5 of a kind, gonna be kind of a simple highlight all same color. 4 of a kind, 4 is one, the other's other. 3, 2. Yeah, that does, that's a visual. It's not really helpful though. If I were to visualize it, it would be the manual one, ironically. So it'd be like saying, hey, these 4 characters all equal this one. So it'd be like 1 equals 0, 2 equals 0, 3 equals 0, 4 equals 0. 4, that'll basically be do a reorder. So whoosh all the order by count and all that. Then all first 4 equals. Basically not using the regexes at all for the visualization. That's easier to like, there's a process and a formula that's followed and identifiable instead of magic regex does magic. Although I suppose I could break down these into visualizations because it's just character is repeated X times and then other character repeated X times. So yeah, I could throw the boringest regex visualizer onto these that just deals with repeated characters. Once that's done, though, the whole sorting party gets involved, which, yeah, the most efficient way is going through all the cards and assigning them a strength, then sorting, because that strength assignment is expensive. The visualization could be, or the sorting could be visualized. Get A, get B. If their strength is, or if their type is different, you're good. Otherwise, show it and then have them be put where they want to be put. Yeah. the parsings. I mean, the more interesting thing to visualize. So if anything, that's what looks pretty. A fix hexample is right, pretty good time in there, as this is the end of the stream. So yeah, like I said again, for those who are wondering, yesterday's stream didn't happen because I slept through it. And I woke up at 3 a.m. from my well-rested sleep. I was like, oh hey, I'm forgetting something, so that is what it is. It happens though. Still a fun challenge. Hey, it's only one day, you know. Makes a fun story. It's like, oh, that's interesting. It was 3 hours late, but the problem only took 5 minutes to get to part two. It's like, yeah. It's fun. Fun story for anyone who looks at it, though. But yeah, that is it for today. Looking forward to tomorrow's stream. I think, yeah, yeah, tomorrow would be the third way through point, so 30% done. Yeah, good night, Hexamble. Appreciate it. Catch you tomorrow. Bye.